Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Retro. Easy Retro is a fantastic online tool designed to make your team's retrospective meetings more engaging and productive. It provides a straightforward way for everyone to share their thoughts on what went well, what could be improved, and what actions to take next. This platform helps foster a culture of continuous improvement within your team, making every meeting count. To get started, first choose a template that best fits your meeting's goals. Easy Retro offers several popular options, like what went well, what could be better action items. You can then customize the column titles and add specific questions to prompt discussion. Once your board is ready, simply share the unique link with your team members so they can easily join and contribute. Once everyone is on the board, it's time to add ideas. Team members can anonymously post their thoughts under the appropriate columns. This encourages honest feedback. After ideas are submitted, you can group similar ones together to highlight common themes. Then, each person gets a set number of votes, usually between 3 and 5, to prioritize the ideas they feel are most important for discussion. With ideas prioritized, the next step is to facilitate a focused discussion on the top voted items. This is where your team collaboratively decides on solutions and next steps. Crucially, assign clear action items to specific individuals, ensuring accountability. Finally, Easy Retro allows you to easily export the entire meeting summary, including all action items, for future reference and to track progress effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.